and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will be discussing about the data extraction process in mobile forensics. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain the process of data extraction, analyze the phases in data extraction process. Mobile devices are a great example for the rapid growth of science and technology. Even in a small device like mobile, which fits in a hand, is considered as a valuable evidence in mobile forensics. Nowadays, there is a need or a demand has developed to design guidelines for the mobile data extraction process. Let us talk about the data extraction process in detail. The data extraction process involves 9 phases. The first phase is the evidence intake phase. In this phase, the details about the evidence is collected. This phase requires the request forms, ownership information, and the type of incident in which the device was involved in. Next, identification phase. In the identification phase, the examiner has to identify goals of the examination, legal authority of the device, model, making, and the identifying information of the device, capacity of data storage. The third phase is the preparation phase. Here, the examiner should be ready for the appropriate tools that are needed for the examination. It includes the necessary equipment like cables, software, drivers, etc. Next, isolation phase. In this phase, the mobile phones should be isolated to prevent the addition of new data, incoming calls, text messages, and possible destruction from the remote access. The fifth phase is processing phase. After isolating the device from other devices and the network, the actual process begins. Now, the data storage cards are also removed. The type of process depends upon the goals of examination. Next, the verification phase. Here, the examiner should verify the extracted data. The verification can be done by comparing the data to the handset. Compare results if you use more than one tool. Next, documentation and reporting phase. Here, the data extracted is documented and reported. The document includes date and time, condition of device, images of extracted parts of the device, tools used for extraction process. Then, in the presentation phase, the extracted document is clearly presented to the prosecutor or to the court. Lastly, archiving phase. Here, the extracted and documented data is preserved for future reference. This may be helpful in solving other cases too. Let us now have a quick overview. There is a demand to design guidelines for the mobile data extraction process. The data extraction process involves 9 phases. Thank you for watching this video.